Good morning, good evening. In this video series, we are going to take up Babok questions to help you assess your knowledge of Babok. This could be applicable for CBAP, CCBA or ECBA examinations. So if you are preparing for any of these certifications, these questions will be helpful to you to understand how well is your preparation. We are going to discuss more than 25 to 30 questions in this series of videos. Keep watching. Now the question will appear on your screen. Now coming to the question. Our project team is struggling with a large number of defects in the purchase module. After 2 rounds of testing and defect fixing, which of the following can prove to be effective in this case now? Option 1, regression testing. Option 2, root cause analysis. Option 3, review test cases. Option 4, review code. Take a few seconds to guess the right answer. Okay, so now let me come to the answer. This question is about a large number of defects in a software application. Most important thing to note is that the number of defects are high even after a couple of rounds of testing and bug fixing. Now let's look at the answer number A. In this case, regression testing won't be effective as testing is already conducted a couple of times. Also, regression testing is a nomenclature used for testing when a change is being implemented in a project. Now in this case, whether you do regression testing or some other kind of testing, if multiple rounds have been conducted and bug fixes have been done, it means the problem is somewhere else. So option A is incorrect. Now second option is root cause analysis. Root cause analysis is a technique which is used to find underlying causes of a problem. Let me get back to this option in a few seconds. Third and fourth options are about conducting reviews of test cases and code. Both these options can be true if it's possible to know in advance that the problem lies with the test cases or the code. If the coding is not done properly, that means reviewing of it might give you the answers or the problems which can be fixed permanently. Similarly, if review of test cases reveal that the test cases are not written correctly, then it can be fixed and we will get rid of the problems. But the question does not provide that kind of a clue, which means the first problem is to figure out why these many defects are getting repeatedly detected. So the correct answer is to conduct root cause analysis, which is option number B. So in this case, root cause analysis will reveal what is the real reason for this problem and then it can be fixed.